I'm Doug Kennedy. I work for AmSurg, and we are an ambulatory surgery center company that handles management of ASCs across the country. We are in over 30 states at this point, and we have over 200 different ambulatory surgery centers. I'm part of IT, but my main job is to manage projects that cross the company. We started off with not having really any kind of project management tool other than Excel or something similar to that. So our challenge when I first started here about 4 years ago was to figure out how we're going to manage projects. We looked at various different tools to do that, and we ended up with BrightWork. And one of the reasons we chose BrightWork was because it leveraged our existing SharePoint technology that we were just starting at that point, chose them among various different vendors that we were looking at, and decided that they were the best one and implemented them about 2.5 years ago now. Gave us templates that we could customize, so we didn't have to start from scratch if we didn't want to. We could customize templates that already existed to manage our projects. Once we've done that, which we have now, we have a standard set of templates to use for our projects. We use it to record the goals, we use it to record the schedule, of course, we use it to record tasks, we use it to add in custom SharePoint lists that we might use to manage pieces of the project. We use it for recording the team members. Pretty much everything related to the project ends up on the BrightWork site. And the good thing about that is everyone knows where to go if they need information about the project. The other nice thing about BrightWork is that we can have multiple projects and they roll up to one status report or dashboard, if you will, that then can be used by executives, can be used by project sponsors, can be used by various people to see exactly where the project is. The project team can go into the individual sites, put in the details, and it all rolls up for us. It's handled all of our needs so far. One of the challenges when I first came here was not only we didn't have a tool, we didn't have any processes, we didn't have any real project management knowledge inside the organization. There wasn't a recognition, essentially, that project management was a skill set that needed to be rolled out through the organization. Over the last 4 years, of course, that's changed, and BrightWork has certainly helped us with being able to show why this is important to use project management and how organized it becomes and how much easier it becomes to communicate when you have a tool that's organizing all the project information. Now that we're at the point where we are with our processes and project management technology, kind of our next steps would be that we want to certainly move to the newest version, which we're not on now. There are some great features in there that I know we'll utilize, mostly related to metrics and some better roll-up functionality, some better reporting functionality. So for AmSurg, that's the next step. Start figuring out how to utilize the metrics in that system. Go ahead and keep pushing project management through the organization and continue using project management to manage these large number of projects that we have to help us continue to prioritize. So there's not a radical change, but the features that are coming and the features that have been added that I know are there, I see us utilizing them in the future, hopefully the very near future.